From the Owens Outcome Student Media Center, this is Community Connection, putting you in touch with what's happening within the community and on our campus. Here's your host.
Welcome to this segment of Community Connection. With me is Erin Kramer. Erin Kramer is with Owens Community College, and she's with the admissions department. And you've got news of an event that's coming up, and it's going to be happening rather soon.
It is, yeah. We're really excited. We have our annual open house on April 3rd. It's going to be in Heritage Hall 123 from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. And it's going to be a really great event for students. There's going to be, for prospective students, there's going to be all kinds of tables and lots of information that's going to be very helpful for getting started here at Owens.
This is a great opportunity for high school students to come out to Owens Community College. If they've never been here before, this would be one of those days to come out.
It really would. We're going to have tours. We're going to have tables for all the academic departments as well as all of the student service offices. So if they want to find out more about our honors program or our broadcasting major or veteran services that we offer, we're also going to have tours so they can find out more about the campus and see our great facilities out here. We're going to have admissions reps available to help people fill out the application if they need to do that. We also will have financial aid professionals available to help students fill out the FAFSA. And there's just going to be lots of great information, and our radio station is going to be there.
We'll be there, yes.
Playing music, and it's going to be a great environment. It's going to be a really fun day, but also very informative.
When you talk about the information aspect of the day, one of the things that happens to a lot of families, especially if they haven't had someone in college for a while, is when it comes to that financial aid and taking care of the FAFSA, and those forms can be a bit intimidating. How does Owens help with that?
We will have financial aid professionals available. They will be doing a presentation. So answering a lot of those questions about paying for college, about what the different kinds of aid are. So they'll be answering questions about what's the difference between a grant and a scholarship and those kind of things. They'll also be available to meet with students and parents one-on-one if they do have questions about their FAFSA. And students can definitely call ahead of time, and I'll give you the number here. It's 567-661-7777, and they can give us a call and find out what they need to bring if they want to fill out that FAFSA that day.
Do they get to speak to an advisor, and what's that experience like?
They will get to speak with an academic advisor. I will tell you there will be advisors there all day. We do recommend that students make an appointment with their academic advisor because at open house, they'll be able to talk to them for a few minutes, but to really sit down and talk about specific questions and credits, they will want to make an appointment to talk to their advisor. So we'll have laptops set up there, the advising table will, and they can definitely set up those appointments right there while they're at open house.
I've had an opportunity to attend a few of the open houses here at Owens Community College, and one of the things that I noticed was that you've got several of the programs and services that are available to students there represented as well.
Right. Yes. There's just so much information right there for students. It's such a great day because they can really get all of the questions answered that they have. So whether they want to play baseball for Owens, athletics is going to have a table where they can find out more about how to get involved in our athletic programs. Or if they have a parent who's a veteran and they want to find out about their benefits, they can get a little bit of those answers and then talk to somebody who's knowledgeable and then maybe make an appointment for later to really delve into the nitty-gritty.
Erin Kramer, please again share the date and the time and the location for the event of the open house.
Yeah, so it's April 3rd from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and it's in Heritage Hall, room 123. And if anybody has any more questions, anything we can answer, they can give us a call at 567-661-7777. And if you are on the Owens website and you go to the very bottom, there's a banner ad, and they can click on that, and then they can go to the webpage just for our open house.
Erin Kramer has been our guest. I'm Rob Thomas. This is Community Connection.
This has been Community Connection. If your group or organization would like to appear on Community Connection, message us from the Owens Community College Radio Facebook page. From the Owens Outcome Student Media Center, this has been Community Connection.